Hello everybody and welcome to another edition of Poland Daily Travel. It's good to see you. You might be able to tell from the surroundings I'm in a park, but not just any park. This is, as far as I know, the biggest park on the Oder. It's about 50 hectares. I mean, it's massive. It's a farm more than it is a park. That's 100 acres plus. This is a massive, massive park. And well, you can just see, this is just giving you an idea of, that's not even close to the end, but you can see how far that walk is and a little bit further here. And then way back through the forest over there. Where is Brzeg? It's a very good question, isn't it? It's west of Wrocław, Brzeg Dolny, which is where we are. The other town, called Brzeg, is to the south and the east, over in right where Upper Silesia becomes Lower Silesia. So it's also a very pretty town, but for my money, I think I like this town just that bit much more. And at any rate, as you find yourself following the Oder River out of Wrocław, this is the first logical stop to do a little sightseeing. And then as you go to upriver, we're going to go to Lubiasz, which is, downriver to Lubiasz, is also a very nice little town with one of the most beautiful Cistercian abbeys in the entire world. That's our next destination. And I think it's the largest Cistercian abbey. And here you can see back to the palace. You can just make out the door to the palace, which is now the city offices for the town of Brzeg on the Oder River. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the trailer, and we'll be back with more. Hello everybody and welcome back. We stopped off in the beautiful little village of Wołów. I say village, it's a town, 12,000 people. We're about 38 kilometers from Wrocław and we're standing in the town square. What I would like to do is take the town square of Wołów and merge it with the beautiful palace and park at Brzeg Dolny, and we'd be set, because they're missing a palace here. And Brzeg Dolny is missing a nice town square, old school town square. The story about Wołów, which is really worth remembering, is the Wołów bank robbery. The Wołów bank robbery happened in 1962. It's the largest bank robbery in the history of Poland. In today's money, it would be worth $4.5 million. $4.5 million. They took away in cash. It must have been hard to get it away. That would have been a lot of bills back then. I think it was on the order of 80 million or more zlotys. But at any rate, they got away with it, at least in the beginning, aided by a bank safe expert. Well, that wouldn't be too hard to trace, would it? All right. The big thing is, though, to remember that in 1962, that was a firm era of communism. So to have the gumption and the chutzpah to actually rob a bank under communism was incredible. At any rate, it remains the biggest cash bank robbery. There are many other ways to steal. in Polish history. Here's the town hall. Very nice church steeple back there. Same history here. We're in the metropolitan Wrocław area. Wołów shares the same history as Brzeg Dolny or Lubiasz, where we're going to. We're on the outskirts, 38, 40 kilometers from Wrocław center, and this is still considered metropolitan Wrocław. So theoretically people could live here and still work in Wrocław, although nowadays you can live anywhere and work anywhere, as some digital nomads are showing us. But we're not digital nomads, we're just people who drive around with a camera and try to show you what's cool about Poland. And on this particular road trip we're doing the Oder River, of course, and the point is that we are trying to show you how that river changes over the course of these programs, and show you the more interesting attractions, or what we find to be interesting attractions on the way. We couldn't resist. We stopped. I saw the beautiful church towers, some city wall, obviously medieval stuff. Didn't know about it. Had to stop. And nice accident, because as you can see, it's a nice place to stop, sit on the bench, and finish my coffee. So I'm Will Richardson. I'm in Wołów, and before we were in Brzeg Dolny on the Oder River. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow night. Don't forget to like and subscribe and do all those things. Poland Daily Live, Poland Daily Travel, search on YouTube, Poland Daily Travel on Facebook.